Live from a kitchen in Las Vegas, it's time for a Keto Quickie. Everybody, welcome back to Tom Garvey, the Keto Cook. Today, we're doing a Keto Quickie. So what I'm going to be making today is I'm going to be making some chicken wings out of my chicken thighs. You've seen me done this before. They're fantastic, by the way. But the sauce that I'm going to use at the end is I'm going to be using the Fire Cider elixir that we made. And this is going to be used for the sauce. Almost like buffalo wings, only we're going to be using this instead. So, let's get cutting up the chicken. Let's get going, because you know what? This is a quickie. Okay, very simple, fairly simple to do. So what you want to do is, these are semi-frozen still. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to take my knife and go right up to the bone. Okay, and now this is more or less on a little bit of an angle. And I'm going to cut it. Put it back, watch your fingers. Put it right back down like that. Now, that is going to be considered to be a wing. So it's basically the same size. And then what I'll do is just simply take the other two and split these in half. Now, bigger ones, you can get 4 or 5 out of them. Alright, so what we're going to do is we're going to put them right in. Look at that nice meat on here. This will cook up really nice. I tell you one thing, the price that they get now for chicken wings is ridiculous. So these are fairly cheap, good taste. I actually like these a lot better anyway. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the meat off of here. That's another one. Got some nice skin on there. Now, it's pointless to have no bone in it and pointless to have no skin. So, that's what we're going to do. Alright, so we're going to take this one up. It looks like we're only going to get 2 out of this one. And flip it around. And these were smaller. The last time I did this, we did skin right on there. Last time I did this, they were much better. Alright, let me finish cutting these up. Okay, so out of that, there was 5 small chicken thighs. I got 18 pieces out of here. I mean, it's amazing, really is. Let's get them into the oven. We're going to cook them in 350 degree oven. And I'll bring you back when they're done, and I'm going to show you how to make this sauce. Okay, on to cutting spaghetti squash. Today I'm going to have a little spaghetti squash with it. I wanted to show off my new invention that I made here. This is a spaghetti squash cradle. It's a round piece of wood. Put some dowels in, drilled some holes. Glued the top ones in, the top 4. The bottom 2 are loose, so I can move them around and make it fit. Because spaghetti squash is not uniform. It's all different sizes. And being that we use a lot of it, this works out well. It stabilizes it better, and I can keep my fingers. So if you can come up with something like this, it's a good idea. Where's Ron Popeil when you need him, right? You know, market this thing. Anyway, we're going to slice this up. Today we're going to have spaghetti squash with the wings. Nothing goes to waste in the keto kitchen. Right here you can see we got some nice seeds, nice crunchy. Roast them, a little bit of olive oil on them, put them in a nice pan, put some salt on them. There you go. All right, let's get going here. This is going to go real quick. I sped it up a little bit. Now, what you want to do is you want to take the strands off the skin. Fairly simple to do. Once you get into the skin part, no more strands, leave it alone. This is plenty. This is 2.5 rings into the pan, some olive oil, getting that good and hot. 5 cloves of garlic, Tommy spice into the pan. You're going to get this until you smell the aromatic of the garlic. I'm going to add in the spaghetti squash. Also, the Tommy spice in there, and we're going to be adding in a little bit more Mexican oregano to it. I'm going to add some butter and then some pecorino to finish it with. Put this off to the side. Now into the bowl we're going to make the sauce. Now I got 2 heaping tablespoons of mayonnaise. I'm going to add in 2.5 shots of my Fire Cider. This stuff is phenomenal. I don't know where it was all my life. I'm glad I found it. We're going to mix this up. We're going to add some spices to it. Some Tommy spice, some paprika, and also some more Mexican oregano. It doesn't need any heat, so it's just fine the way it is. Now this will thicken up. Put it off to the side a little bit. And then we're going to add the wings to the bowl. And then we will start plating this.
Keto cooking, keeping it clean. Live from Las Vegas, it's keto cooking. Tom Garvey, the keto.
Now I make these because half the time I can't find chicken wings in the store. And last time I looked, they were very, very expensive. Especially this time of the year, football season. Super Bowl's coming up, so chicken wings will be like hen's teeth. Hard to find or very expensive. So I cut these up, found an idea how to do it. And it worked out really well. Now we're going to plate this. The spaghetti squash really came out nice. I got to tell you, really, really good. Listen, everybody, thank you for watching. Hit that like and subscribe button. And if you wouldn't mind, share it out. And you know what? This was a Keto Quickie. I thought it'd be necessary to show you how quick and easy this is to fix for dinner. Listen, everybody, thank you for watching. I do appreciate you all. Check out the next video. Take care.
Live from Las Vegas, it's keto cooking. Tom Garvey, the keto cook.
This is a keeper. Thanks, everybody.